everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am discussing about the properties of concrete and steel. Now we go to the properties of concrete. These are available in the code IS 456-2000, page number 15. The first property is increasing of strength with age. Usually the concrete setting complete within a maximum duration of 10 hours. After the concrete gains strength within increasing age, but 99% of the strength achieved at 28 days, because the design should be based on 28 days characteristics compressive strength of concrete. FCK. Characteristic strength of concrete is defined as the strength of material below which not more than 5% of the test results are expected to fall. Based on the characteristics compressive strength, the concrete is graded as ordinary concrete, standard concrete, high strength concrete. Ordinary concrete is M10 to M20, standard M25 to M55, high strength concrete is M60 to M80. In this, M refers to the mix and these numbers are refers to the characteristics compressive strength of the 150 mm cube at 28 days. Next property is tensile strength of concrete. It is an important property which affects the extent and width of the cracks in the structure. Tensile strength formula is FCR equal to 0.7 under root FCK. This formula is available in the code book also. In this, FCK is the characteristic compressive strength of the concrete. Next topic is the elastic deformation or modulus of elasticity of concrete. It is used for computation of deflections. The formula for modulus of elasticity is equal 5000 under root FCK in Newton per mm square. It is also Newton per mm square and this is also Newton per mm square. Next property is shrinkage of concrete. The process of decreasing in volume during the drying and hardening of concrete is called shrinkage. Shrinkage influences the deflection of RC members, and it depends upon the ingredients of concrete and environmental condition. The shrinkage strain equal to 0.0003. Next property is creep. Creep is defined as plastic deformation under constant load, that is dead load. Deflection is calculated by using creep coefficient. Creep coefficient is the ratio of the ultimate creep strain to the elastic strain at the age of loading. Values available in the code book. At age of 7 days, creep coefficient is 2.2. At 28 days, 1.6. At 1 year, 1.1. Next topic is thermal expansion. It depends upon nature of cement, aggregate, and the cement content and relative humidity and size of sections. The coefficient of thermal expansion for different type of aggregates used in concrete given below. Next is Poisson's ratio. It is the ratio between the lateral strain to longitudinal strain or linear strain. It indicates by mu. Poisson's ratio vary from 0 to 0.5. For high strength concrete it is 0.1. For weak concrete mu value is 0.2. For strength design purpose we take as 0.15. Next property is workability. It determines the easy and homogeneity with which it can be mixed, placed, compacted and finished. The workability of concrete should not show any segregation or bleeding. The factor influence of the workability is water cement ratio, type and grading of aggregate, and the ratio of fine and coarse aggregate, and use of admixtures. and its efficiency of mixing. Next property is unit weight of concrete. It depends upon the type of aggregate and amount of voids. Unit weight of plain concrete. Plain concrete means without reinforcement in concrete equal to 24 kilonewton per meter cube. This means 1 meter cube volume required 24 kilonewtons of concrete or 2400 kgs of concrete. Unit weight of RCC. RCC means reinforced cement concrete. Unit weight equal to 25 kilonewton per meter cube or 2500 kgs per meter cube. Now we go to the next topic, steel properties. Steel available in two types, mild steel or medium steel. Or high yield strength deformed bars. In present days, thermomechanical treated bars also used in the construction purpose, but we discuss only mild steel and high yield strength deformed bars, that is HYSD bars, available in F2 grades, FE 415 and FE 500. Grade of mild steel is FE 250. Unit weight of steel rho is equal to 78.5 kilonewton per meter cube. Or 7850 kg per meter cube. Modulus of elasticity of steel equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square or 200 kilonewton per mm square or 2 into 10 to the power of 5 megapascal. 1 pascal equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Poisson's ratio for steel equal to 0.3. Modulus of rigidity of steel equal to 0.769 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Coefficient of thermal expansion of steel equal to 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degrees Celsius. Stress strain curve for the 250, 415, 500 grade steel, strain in percentage and stress in Newton per mm square. Size of the bar available in the market are 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 20, 22, 25, 32, 36 and 40, 45 and 50 mm. The length of the each bar equal to 12 meters. Unit weight of the bar equal to d square by 162.2 in kgs per meter cube. D is the die of bar in mm. For example, we calculate the 12 mm die unit weight of bar equal to 12 square by 162.2. Answer is 0.887 kg per meter cube. For total weight of the bar equal to 0.887 into 12 meter is the length of the bar, and we get the total weight of the bar equal to 10.64 kgs. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I will discussing about the methods of design of reinforced concrete. Please like, share this video and subscribe to my channel.